Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best. Today I'll show you how to use the 10 Cup Smart Coffee Maker. So let's get started. Alright, inside the box you will find the coffee maker, a glass carafe, a reusable filter, and the user manual. First thing, find a good spot on your counter, plug it in, and we are good to go. Now let's fill up the water tank. Filling the water tank is easy. Just pour in the amount you need based on how many cups you want. Next, grab your favorite coffee grounds and scoop them into the reusable filter. A good rule is 1 tablespoon per cup, but you can tweak it to your taste. This coffee maker has regular and bold brew options. If you like a stronger coffee, go for the bold setting. Now just press the brew button, sit back and let the magic happen. Okay, one of my favorite things, this coffee maker connects to an app. You can schedule brews, customize settings, and even use voice control with Alexa or Google Assistants. It's perfect for busy mornings. And just like that, your coffee is ready. Plus, the keep warm feature keeps it hot for up to 2 hours. If you're in a hurry, use the pause and serve function to pour a cup before the brew is done. Keeping your coffee maker clean is super easy. Rinse the carafe and filter after each use. And for deep cleaning, run a mix of water and vinegar through the machine once a month. This keeps every cup tasting fresh. And that's it, your quick and easy guide to using the 10 Cup Smart Coffee Maker. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips. See you next time.